Welcome once again to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to link your bank account to your PayPal account. Okay, so without wasting much of a time, let's start. Now, after creating your PayPal account, the next thing that you need to do is to just link your card or you link your bank account. Okay, but if you find yourself in any country in a country where PayPal is not working and you have been able to create your account, you need to get a US account before you can receive payment through PayPal. Okay, so without wasting much of it, let me take you through how to link a Payoneer account to the PayPal account that you have created. So just go here and you see pay and get paid. You click on that and you see banks and cards. You click on banks and card and it will take you to a place where you can link your bank or you link your card. So link a new bank and then link a new card. So we are going to link a bank here, so you will click on link bank. Now these are the requirements that we need to enter here. Okay, link a bank account. So just account type here. Okay, so just choose option whether it's saving, checking, and then we have bank IBAN number, and then we have the currency, we have intermediary bank code, and then we have the phone number, and you're good. The rest. So after completing this, you just link a bank. But what you have to do is that if you find yourself in other country, in a country where PayPal is not working and you have been able to create your account, this is how you are going to link your bank. Instead of filling all these requirements, you are just going to link a US bank. So just click here to link a US bank. So after clicking on US bank, these are the information that you are expected to complete. So all what you have to do is to just get a Payoneer account. Okay, this is my Payoneer account that I've created. You click on these three dot lines here and you see get paid. You click on get paid. Okay, and you come here and click on receive account. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. Now with the receiving account, I have US and then I have UK bank account here. So we are going to use US bank because with the PayPal we use US bank. So just click here and this is my US bank account here, and these are the information that they are requesting. So all what you have to do is to just copy this information and type it at the PayPal. Okay, so let's move on to PayPal again. Account type is checking and then saving. So we have routing number, so we just copy the routing number and then you paste it here. So let me go and copy the routing number here. This is the routing number. I just paste it here and this is the account number. So after filling all these requirements, all you have to do is just click on link your bank to link your bank to your PayPal account. Now if you link your bank, it means that you can move your money on your PayPal account to this US bank, and after that you can transfer this money from the US bank to your local bank account. So if you don't even know how to create Payoneer account, just hit me in the comment section and I'll do a video on how to create a Payoneer account and also how to link your Payoneer account to your local bank. Thank you for watching this video.